Okay, this is a video going right with this review. You see, I also screenshotted the actual page so you can see the temperatures. This says 70. There's little heat coming out. I can feel it kind of on my table, which is about 2 foot down. The company did ask me how close the heater is. I can reach it with one hand. It says 65 in my house. I have this set as low as it can on the ambient temperature. I can't go any lower than 70. So again, it's kicked off and just kind of trying to keep the room at 68 based on supposedly the ambient temperature. So let's go into my son's room and see. Let me pause this and go in there. My son's room, as you see, not even on, which is good because it should be shutting down at 66. It's not even kicked on. And his thermometer, again, I just literally stepped to the side, says it's 63 in here. So I'm going to manually turn his on now because I can't do it from the device because I'm recording. So let's see if we can turn this on. Yeah, it says it's 66 in here. 3 degrees difference. I can't set the ambient any lower. So I'm going to turn his device up 3 degrees to kind of catch it up to the actual thermometer. And my living room, I actually kicked that on high this morning because it says it's 66 degrees in my living room. Now, my living room's the biggest of the house. It's 27 by, I think it's 28 by 13. And again, it's mounted on the wall, 66. Now, this thermometer is a little bit further away. This one says, let's see here, 66. So that one, actually, I was able to adjust this one to get the ambient perfect. But I had to kick it on high to get it up. So I was able to adjust it down 5 degrees because this one actually said that it was 72 in here and it was actually only 66. So I just did all this. Hope this helps for some people. And yes, the company is aware of this. As of yesterday, I've only had the heaters on for a week and a half, and I've had nothing but issues. And like I said in my review, I would be worried, not be as worried if it was just one that I bought, and it was just one having issues, but it's all three. So
as a thermostat, so it will say at whatever temperature you set it. Wi-Fi button. This can rotate or stay in different directions. I got the plug, the more expensive plug, because it has a circuit breaker in it. Very responsive. Honestly, the best heater I've ever bought. Okay, I usually don't do posts, but I'm doing it this. So I bought the Dreo
wall-mounted heater. You can see, but it's on a stand. I did not want to mount this to my wall, so what I did was I bought a TV mount for a 18 to 42 inch TV. Took the extra pole out and actually used the hanging screws off of it so I have a mobile heater that I can put anywhere I want. Thing works great. It's my review.
I was born with wings, but psoriasis swooped in to clip them. It crushed my confidence until I got clearer skin with Bimzelx. I have a chance to say I'm back.
Only Bimzelx targets and blocks IL-17A plus F to calm inflammation.
Most people got 100% clear skin. Some after the first dose.
Serious side effects like suicidal thoughts and behavior, infections, and low ability to fight them, liver problems, and inflammatory bowel disease occur. Tell your doctor if these happen or worsen, or fevers, chills, muscle aches, or cough occur, or you've had a vaccine or plan to. Before starting, get checked for infections, tuberculosis, and liver problems.
Start to get yourself back.
Ask your dermatologist about Bimzelx today.
Alexa, turn on heater.